Hello students and good morning. So today I am doing class 12 science. The topic is second order derivative. This is the new chapter that I am doing. So in the last online class we did Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's mean value theorem. I hope you understood all these chapters, that is Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's mean value theorem. So today we'll do second order derivative. So we did first order derivative previously in the online class, right? So you know first order derivative, isn't it? First order derivative means dy by dx. So this dy by dx is known as first derivative, first order derivative. This dy by dx is known as first order derivative, or it may be represented by f dash of x. It may be represented by y1 also. So if you have y1, that is also dy by dx, that is differentiation of y with respect to x. So now you should know all the formula from derivative, that is what is dy by dx of sin x, what is dy by dx of cos x, what is dy by dx of sin inverse x, what is the differentiation of exponential function with respect to x, what is the differentiation of logarithmic function with respect to x, and so on. Okay, now what is meant by second order derivative? Okay, now second order derivative भनेको के हो भन्दाखेरि फर्स्ट अर्डर डेरिभेटिभलाई अझै एकचोटी हामी डिफरेन्सिएसन गर्छौं. दैट इज यो फर्स्ट अर्डर डेरिभेटिभ भनेको dy by dx, यसलाई हामी अझै एकचोटी डिफरेन्सिएसन गर्छौं विथ रेस्पेक्ट टु x. दैट इज यो sin x लाई डिफरेन्सिएट गर्यो भने you have to write dy by dx of sin x, isn't it? And you know that dy by dx of sin x is cos x. Now similarly, again you have to differentiate dy by dx with respect to x. That means you have to write dy by dx of dy by dx. Now if you differentiate sin x with respect to x, you have to write dy by dx of sin x, isn't it? Which is equal to cos x. Now if you differentiate dy by dx with respect to x, you will write dy by dx of dy by dx. Okay, now it is defined as, you have to write d2y by dx square. Actually it is read as d square y by dx square, तर सजिलोको लागि हामी के पढ्छौं यसलाई, it is read as d2y by dx square. पढ्नु सजिलो हुन्छ. d square y by dx square भन्दा फेरि पनि पढ्नु कुन चाहिँ सजिलो हुन्छ, d2y by dx square. Actually it is d square y by dx square. पढ्दा जे पढ्दा पनि भयो हैन, d2y by dx square, or it may be d square y by dx square. Actually it is read as d square y by dx square. तर हाम्रो कन्भिनियन्स, हाम्रो सजिलोको लागि चाहिँ हामी यसलाई कसरी पढ्छौं, d2y by dx square. त एक्चुअली के भयो यहाँ, यो मल्टिप्लाई गरेछ भयो d square y by, तर यो मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा d square x square हुन्थ्यो, तर you have to write dx square. Okay, त यहाँ d square x square हुँदैन है. So this is the second order derivative. So d2y by dx square is known as the second order derivative. So it is read as d2y by dx square. Actually यहाँ d square x square हुनु पर्ने थियो, तर we don't write d square x square. It is defined as only dx square. And this is known as what? This is known as second order derivative. Second order derivative. Okay, now if you have f dash of x, if you differentiate f dash of x, you will get f double dash of x. Double dash थप्दिनु, f dash of x लाई अझै differentiation गर्दैछौ with respect to x. What will you get? f double dash of x. Is that clear? अनि y1 को डिफरेन्सिएसन चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि dy by dx of y1 will be y2. y1 लाई डिफरेन्सिएट गरे भने चाहिँ it is defined as y2. y1 लाई डिफरेन्सिएट गर्छौ with respect to x भने चाहिँ हामी के लेख्छौ, y2. कि त यसलाई यसो लेख्दा नि भयो dy1 by dx लेख्दा नि भयो. dy by dx of y1 भनेको dy1 by dx. एक्चुअली यो y1 भनेको के हो, y1 भनेको के हो, y1 भनेको के भयो, dy by dx. Okay, that is dy by dx is written as y1 also. Again y1 is differentiated with respect to x, that is d by dx. Actually it is dy1 by dx. Actually यो कति भयो dy dx of what is y1 now? It is dy by dx. dy by dx, which is equal to, it is defined as d2y by dx square. That is y2 is equal to d2y by dx square. तो y1 को डिफरेन्सिएसन हामी के लेख्छौं y2 भनेर लेख्छौं. ठीक छ. यो चाहिँ भयो सेकेन्ड अर्डर डेरिभेटिभ. Now let us take an example. You can copy it. त यो सार्नु सक्छौ तिमीले. त यहाँ क्लासमा सबैजना प्रेजेन्ट हुनुपर्छ है. अब चाहिँ बुझ्यौ? यो क्लासमा तिमीहरुको साथीहरुले भन्दिनु जो प्रेजेन्ट छैन सबै प्रेजेन्ट हुनुपर्छ भनेर. तिमीहरुको 14 जना छ होला सायद म्याथ्स लिनेहरु हैन तिम्रो क्लासमा. त 14 जना सबैजना नै यहाँ प्रेजेन्ट हुनुपर्छ है. यहाँ प्रेजेन्ट सर सबले लेख्नुपर्छ 14 जनाले नै, नत्र म एब्सेन्ट गर्दिन्छु. ठीक छ. अब चाहिँ एब्सेन्ट भनेर चाहिँ म नोट गरेको हुन्छ है. अब चाहिँ तिमीले लाइभ च्याटमा प्रेजेन्ट सर भनेर सबले लेख्नै पर्छ. त आज मन्डे हो. त आज मन्डे मर्निङ. त यो मन्डे देखि चाहिँ तिमीले सबले प्रेजेन्ट सर भनेर लेखेको हुनुपर्छ. नत्र म बुझ्छु तिमीले हेरेको छैनौ भनेर, तिमीलाई पढ्न मन लागेको छैन भनेर म बुझ्ने छु. ठीक छ. त सबले प्रेजेन्ट सर भनेर लेख्नु अनि राम्रोसँग पढ्नु. त यो एउटा तिमीले मौका पाएको छ अनलाइन क्लास गर्ने. अहिले स्कुल लागेको छैन हैन. स्कुल नलाग्दा पनि तिमीको पढाइलाई पुरै नोक्सान हुँदैछ. त पढाइलाई पुरा नोक्सान हुँदा पनि तिमीको एक्जाम त आउँछ तिमीहरुको हैन. त तिमीहरुको सेन्टअप पनि हुन्छ, यो एचएस एक्जाम पनि हुन्छ. सायद क्लास भन्नु त तिमीले अनलाइन क्लासै गर्नुपर्छ. त सबजना प्रेजेन्ट, तिमीहरु 14 जना छ होला सायद तिमीहरु. त 14 जना नै यहाँ प्रेजेन्ट हुनुपर्छ लाइभ. ठीक छ. त आजदेखि चाहिँ म तिमीको यो नोट गर्छु. त यो कपी गर्ने. So now let us take an example. So let us take an example. Suppose you have let y is equal to sin x, right? तो इसमें फर्मुला चाहिँ अगाडिको नै याद हुनुपर्छ. जस्ट तिमीले यहाँ डबल डिफरेन्सिएसन चाहिँ गर्नुपर्छ. ठीक छ. So you have to find out d2y by dx square, right? So let y is equal to sin x. So now differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to, what is dy by dx of sin x? It is cos x. Okay, but since you have to find out d square y by dx square, or it is read as d2y by dx square, तो यसलाई हामी फेरि के गर्छौं? Again differentiate गर्छौं. So again differentiating both the sides, with respect to x. Okay, तो यसलाई फेरि हामी डिफरेन्सिएट गर्छौं. dy by dx लाई फेरि डिफरेन्सिएट गर्छौं with respect to x. So what does it become? It becomes d2y by dx square is equal to, फेरि cos x लाई डिफरेन्सिएसन गर्दा के हुन्छ? It is minus sin x. So this is the answer. Just यसमा के गर्नुपर्छ? तिमीले डबल डिफरेन्सिएसन चाहिँ गर्नुपर्छ. ठीक छ. यही नै हो मेथड. फर्स्ट अर्डर जस्तै गर्नु. फर्स्ट अर्डर निकाल्ने पहिला, त्यहाँदेखि फेरि त्यसलाई डिफरेन्सिएट गरेर हामी के निकाल्छौं? सेकेन्ड अर्डर डेरिभेटिभ निकाल्छौं. That is d2y by dx square. Okay. Now we'll do problems from the book. So you can copy it. So now we'll do this exercise 4, page number 320. Each question carries 2 mark section, and this is from the book Higher Secondary, that is Higher Mathematics for Class 12 by SND. So exercise 4, page number 320. This each question carries 2 marks. अच्छा, एउटा कुरा म के भन्न चाहन्छु भन्दाखेरि यो क्लासमा सायद अरु स्कुलकोहरु पनि होला हैन त उनीहरुलाई पनि यस क्लासमा स्वागत छ त तिमीहरु यो क्लास गर्न सक्छौ तर विशेष गरेर पुष्परानी स्कुलकोहरु चाहिँ यहाँ हुनै पर्छ कम्पल्सरी 14 जना छौ तिमीहरु 14 जना दे शुड अल शुड बी प्रेजेन्ट इन दिस अनलाइन क्लास त अरुलाई पनि तिमीलाई पनि वेलकम छ है स्वागत छ अरु स्कुलकोलाई पनि स्वागत छ यस अनलाइन क्लासमा ट्राई टु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड इट तिमीलाई पनि यो म्याथमेटिक्स लिएको छ भने यो एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ सेकेन्ड अर्डर डेरिभेटिभ सायद तिमीले अरु क्लासेसहरु पनि हेर्दै होला बुझ्दै होला हैन त अरु स्कुलको नानीहरुले पनि बुझेन भने चाहिँ तिमीले मलाई कमेन्ट गर्न सक्छ ठीक छ त्यो लाइभ च्याटमै कमेन्ट गर्न सक्छ यहाँ बुझिन भनेर ठीक छ त बुझ्ने चाहिँ चेष्टा गर्नु त त्यही कारणले गर्दा सबै स्टुडेन्टहरुलाई यस अनलाइन क्लासमा स्वागत छ अरु स्कुलको नानीहरुलाई पनि यस क्लासमा स्वागत जनाउँदछु त अब हामी यो क्वेशन गर्न लागिरहेछौं दैट इज क्वेशन नम्बर 1 इज फाइन्ड द सेकेन्ड अर्डर डेरिभेटिभ्स अफ इच अफ द फलोइङ फंक्शन्स त यहाँ भनिँदैछ सेकेन्ड अर्डर डेरिभेटिभ हामीले के निकाल्नुपर्छ सेकेन्ड अर्डर डेरिभेटिभ एकैचोटी सेकेन्ड अर्डर डेरिभेटिभ निस्किँदैन है पहिला हामी के निकाल्नुपर्छ फर्स्ट अर्डर डेरिभेटिभ निकाल्छौं त्यसपछि मात्र सेकेन्ड अर्डर डेरिभेटिभ निकाल्छौं ठीक छ सो क्वेशन नम्बर 1 र 2 चाहिँ तिमीले घरमा गर्नु ठीक छ म 3 र 4 देखाउँदै छु सो क्वेशन नम्बर 3 मा के छ व्हाट इज क्वेशन नम्बर 3 हियर log of x square minus 4 पहिला हामी यसलाई y सपोज गरौँ y सपोज गरे चाहिँ डिफरेन्सिएसन गर्नु सजिलो dy by dx निस्किन्छ त्यसले फेरि त्यसलाई डिफरेन्सिएट गर्दा के निस्किन्छ सेकेन्ड अर्डर डेरिभेटिभ ओके सो लेट y is equal to log of x square minus 4 since we have done first order derivative so you can easily differentiate this function right so differentiating both the sides with respect to x differentiating both the sides with respect to x so therefore dy by dx is equal to so what is dy by dx is equal to you have to differentiate log x फर्म मा छ यो यसलाई हामी कसरी डिफरेन्सिएट गर्छौ तिमीले फर्स्ट अर्डरमा सिक्यौ डिफरेन्सिएसन अफ द फंक्शन राइट दिस इज आल्सो फर्स्ट इट इज logarithm function then it is algebraic function त यसलाई हामी के ले डिफरेन्सिएट गर्छौ log x what is the differentiation of log x 1 upon x but here 1 upon x भने के हो x square minus 4 again you have to differentiate the term which is assumed as x कुन चाहिँ हामीले x लेको हो x square minus 4 लाई त्यसलाई फेरि डिफरेन्सिएट गर्दा कति हुन्छ 2x isn't it this is x square कति भयो 2x minus 4 को 0 so it is only 2x is that clear so dy by dx is equal to this is 2x divided by x square minus 4 is that clear to all of you so this is your dy by dx again you have to find out the second order derivative यो त फर्स्ट अर्डर डेरिभेटिभ हो dy by dx यसलाई फेरि हामी के गर्छौं डिफरेन्सिएसन गर्छौं so again differentiating both the sides with respect to x यो चाहिँ diff चाहिँ डिफरेन्सिएटिङ लेख्यो है that is the shortcut diff that is actually differentiation so again differentiating both the sides with respect to x now differentiate dy by dx with respect to x so which is d square y by d square dx square and it is read as it is also read as d2y by dx square now again you have to differentiate the right hand side so you know how to differentiate this fraction u by v rule both are variables here you can use u by v rule to differentiate it so you know the method isn't it now denominator is kept as it is what is the denominator here x square minus 4 now differentiate the numerator what is the differentiation of 2x it is only 2 बीचमा के साइन आउँछ minus you know u by v rule isn't it now which is kept as it is numerator is kept as it is into now differentiate the denominator now what is the differentiation of x square minus 4 it is 2x right for x square differentiation is 2x minus 4 it is 0 minus 0 okay So whole divided by, what is the rule here? Whole divided by denominator whole square. What is denominator whole square? It is x square minus 4 whole square. So I think you have understood it. So, or this is your d2y by dx square is equal to, now multiply here, 2 into x square, 2x square minus 4 to 8. Okay, so it is minus 4x square divided by x square minus 4 whole square. Is that clear to all of you? Now I think you have understood it. Now simplify the numerator. So, or it is d2y by dx square, which is equal to, now you can simplify the similar terms here. 2x square minus 4x square. Similar terms, but they are opposite sign. You can subtract it. Minus 2x square minus 8 divided by x square minus 4 whole square. Okay. So what is the value for d2y by dx square now? So you can simplify the numerator by taking common. What is common here? Minus 2 within bracket. What do we get? X square. So minus 2 to minus plus 2 is minus 2 is taken common. So it is 4 whole divided by x square minus 4 whole square. So this is your answer. Is that understood? So this is your final answer. So you number 1 or number 2 say तिम्रो के हो homework. ठीक छ? So you say तिमीले घरमा गर्ने. So number 3 we have done it. Now let's do question number 4. So you can copy it. So now let's do question number 4. That is, you have to find out the second order derivative of tan inverse x. Okay. So let us find out the derivative of tan inverse x. So number 4 is your tan inverse x, right? So let us assume this tan inverse x as y in this case also. So let y is equal to tan inverse x. So first you find out the first order derivative, that is find out dy by dx. So differentiating both the sides with respect to x, right? So therefore dy by dx is equal to, it is dy dx of tan inverse x, or you don't have to write this dy by dx of tan inverse x. Directly you can differentiate tan inverse x and write down its formula. What is this differentiation? Or dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. यो स्टेप लेखिरहनु जरुरी छैन. डाइरेक्ट हामी dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square लेखेर भइगयो. That is, what is the differentiation of tan inverse x? It is 1 upon 1 plus x square, right? Now again you have to differentiate it. Okay. So now in this case, this is a fraction. So whenever there is a fraction, so while differentiating you have to use u by v rule. But here numerator is 1, numerator is constant, only the denominator is the variable. The math is a constant, तल चाहिँ variable छ भने के गर्नु, हामी u by v rule use गर्नु पर्दैन यसमा. त u by v rule use नगरेर यो denominator, this denominator should be taken to the numerator. So what does it become when this 1 plus x square is taken to the numerator? So it becomes, therefore dy by dx is equal to, now 1 plus x square is taken to the numerator. So what does it become? It becomes 1 plus x square whole to the power minus 1. Is that clear? So actually this is 1 plus x square whole to the power 1. So when it goes up in the numerator, it becomes 1 plus x square whole to the power minus 1. Is that clear? Now you can differentiate it. Okay. So again you have to find out d2y by dx square. Again differentiating both the sides. Again differentiating both the sides with respect to x, right? So therefore, what is the differentiation of dy by dx with respect to x? It is d2y by dx square, which is equal to, now you can differentiate it. Now which function will you take it to differentiate it. So the variable is 1 plus x square is the variable, you can take it as x. Minus 1 is a constant, you can take it as x to the power n form. What is the differentiation of x to the power n with respect to x? N into x to the power n minus 1. Here n is minus 1, isn't it? Here n is minus 1. What is x here? 1 plus x square whole to the power. Now you have to decrease the power by 1. That is minus 1 is minus 2. So again into again you have to differentiate the term which is assumed as x. हामीले कुन चाहिँलाई x मानि लिएको हो? 1 plus x square लाई नै x मानि लिएको हो. त यति मात्रै यसको डिफरेन्सिएसन हुँदैन है. That is wrong. Minus 1 into 1 plus x square whole to the power minus 2 मात्रै लेख्नु wrong हुन्छ. Because in this case 1 plus x square is assumed as x, then it is differentiated. Again you have to differentiate the term which is assumed as x. That means 1 plus x square लाई अझै हामी एकचोटी डिफरेन्सिएट गर्छौं. कति हुन्छ? What is the differentiation of 1? It is 0 plus. What is the differentiation of x square? It is 2x. Is that clear? So or d2y by dx square is equal to minus. So you can simplify it. 1 plus x square whole to the power minus 2 is 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square into, so this is your 2x. 0 plus 2x is 2x, right? So what is the final answer now? Or d2y by dx square is equal to minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square whole square. So this is the answer. Is that clear to all of you? So this is your final answer. The number 1 or number 2 say, and that is your homework, right? So we'll do the next question now. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 2. Find d2y by dx square, or it is read as d square y by dx square. That is, you have to find out the second order derivative when number 1 is y is equal to log sin x. So यो चाहिँ तिमीको homework. So this is your homework. You can do it. Let's do question number 2 now. So what is number 2 here? Y is equal to 2 sin x cos x at x is equal to 0, right? So will you differentiate it directly to get dy by dx here? No. त पहिला के गर्छौ? 2 sin x cos x भनेको multiple angles मा छ formula. You know that. What is the formula? It is sin 2x from multiple angles in trigonometry. त पहिला x is equal to 0 हाल्दैनौ. First of all, you get the value for d2y by dx square and then you put x is equal to 0. Is that clear? So now first of all use the formula y is equal to, what is 2 sin x cos x? This is your sin 2x. Is that clear? So you याद छ तिमीलाई यो sin 2x हो भनेर. त यसलाई हामी के गर्छौं? Differentiating. So differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So what do we get? dy by dx is equal to your sin x form ma cha. What is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x, but it is cos 2x into ferry. What is the differentiation of 2x? That is your 2. Or dy by dx is equal to 2 cos 2x. So dy by dx is equal to, this is 2 cos 2x. Is that clear now? Again, you have to differentiate it to get d2y by dx square, isn't it? So write down, again differentiating both the sides. Again differentiating both the sides with respect to x. फेरि यसलाई हामी डिफरेन्शिएट गर्छौं. ठीक छ? So therefore this is your d2y by dx square is equal to, 2 is constant, it is kept as it is, into, what is the differentiation of cos 2x? You have to take it as cos x form. What is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sin 2x into, again differentiate the function which is assumed as x. So in this case this 2x is assumed as x. So what is the differentiation of 2x? It is 2. So or This is d2y by dx square is equal to minus 4 sine 2x. Is that clear now? So now you can put x is equal to 0. अब चाहिँ x is equal to 0 हाल्दा हुन्छ. So at x is equal to 0, so what is d2y by dx square is equal to, which is equal to minus 4 sine 2 into 0. So you know that 2 into 0 is always 0. So which is equal to minus 4 sine 0. What is the value for sine 0? It is 0. So minus 4 into 0 is equal to, what is the answer? 0 is the answer. Is that clear now? So what is the value for d2y by dx square for the second number? It is d2y by dx square is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Is that clear? So you can copy it. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 3. So what is question number 3 here? It is given y is equal to 10 to the power 2 minus 3x. 10 to the power 3 minus 10 to the power 2 minus 3x. Okay. So while differentiating it, you have to take this 10 to the power 2 minus 3x as a to the power x. Because here 10 is constant, you should take it as a. And here 2 minus 3x. X is the variable which is in the power. So 2 minus 3x, you should take it as x. So it is in the form a to the power x. So what is the differentiation of a to the power x with respect to x? It is a to the power x into log a base e. Right? So here you should write differentiating both the sides. Differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So therefore this is dy by dx. You keep form as a to the power x, because 10 is constant, you can take it as a. 2 minus 3x is the variable, you can take it as x. So this 2 minus 3x is taken as x. So it is in the form a to the power x. So what is this differentiation? A to the power x into log a base e. What is log a base e? It is log 10 base e into, this is not the only differentiation in this case. Which function is taken as x? 2 minus 3x. The function which is assumed as x, that is also to be differentiated again. That is, your 2 minus 3x लाई हामीले x सम्झेको थियौं, त्यसलाई फेरि हामीले डिफरेन्शिएट गर्नुपर्छ into dy dx of 2 minus 3x. Is that clear now? So, or this is your dy by dx, which is equal to 10 to the power 2 minus 3x into, this is your log 10 base e into, what is d by dx of 2 minus 3x? For 2 it is 0, you don't have to write it. Minus 3x, it is minus 3. And what is d by dx of x? That is 1. Is that clear? So next. So you can write here, or dy by dx is equal to, write down the constant term first. Now which term is independent of x here? Minus 3 log 10 base e, that is a constant. Minus 3 log 10 base e into, you should write 10 to the power 2 minus 3x. So minus 3 log 10 base e is a constant, and here 10 to the power 2 minus 3x is the variable. This minus 3 log 10 base e is constant, but 10 to the power 2 minus 3x is the variable here. Again you can differentiate it, right? Because you have to get d2y by dx square, so you have to again differentiate. So again differentiating both the sides, again differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So it is d2y by dx square is equal to minus 3 log 10 base e is kept as it is because it is a constant term. Now again you have to differentiate 10 to the power 2 minus 3x. So you should take it as a to the power x. What is the differentiation of a to the power x? A to the power x into log a base e. But here, but in this case, a here is 10 and x is 2 minus 3x. So here x is taken as 2 minus 3x. So what is this differentiation? 10 to the power 2 minus 2x into log 10 base e into which function is taken as x? It is 2 minus 3x. So what is the differentiation of 2 minus 3x now? For 2 it is 0 and for minus 3x it is minus 3. Is that clear now? So or now this is your d2y by dx square is equal to minus this one is, you can multiply it, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 into log 10 base e into log 10 base e whole square. It is log 10 base e whole square, right? So into, then you can write 10 to the power 2 minus 3x. So this is your final answer. So I think I've understood it. So you can copy it. We'll do the next question now. Now, we'll do the next question, that is question number 4. Y is equal to sine cube x. First of all you find out dy by dx. So differentiating both the sides with respect to x, right? So therefore dy by dx is equal to, now this is in the form x cube form, isn't it? Your power 3 is a constant and sin x is a variable, so you can take it as x to the power n. So what is the differentiation of x to the power n? It is n into x to the power n minus 1. So here it is 3 into sin x whole square into, again differentiate the term which is assumed as x. So which function is assumed as x? That is sin x. So what is this differentiation? It is cos x, right? So or this one is your dy by dx is equal to, this is 3 sin square x into cos x. Is that clear? Now again you have to differentiate it. So again differentiating both the sides, with respect to x, right? Now you have to differentiate 3 sin square x into cos x. So here 3 is constant, but only the variable here is sin square x cos x. So here 3 is constant, so it remains as it is. So therefore it will be d2y by dx square. That is, differentiation of dy by dx will be d2y by dx square is equal to 3 into, now what is the differentiation of sin square x? It is in the form x square. What is the differentiation of x square? It is 2x first, that is 2 into x, that is 2 sin x. Again differentiate sin x with respect to x, it is cos x into, this cos x remains same because we are using here UV rule or product rule, okay? Now plus 3 sin square x is kept as it is. अब यो 3 sin square x लाई हामी सेम राख्छौं. अघि चाहिँ के गर्यौं, यो 3 cos x लाई हामीले सेम राख्यौं, sin square x लाई डिफरेन्शिएट गर्यौं. That is 2 sin x into cos x. Again plus 3 sin square x is kept as it is into, what is the differentiation of cos x? It is minus sin x. It is minus sin x. This is your sin x, right? Sin x, right? As यहाँ लेखेको छु ल मैले. Into यहाँ अटेन यहाँ तलतिर छ into minus sin x. तर यो एक्चुअली एउटै लाइनमा लेख्नु पर्यो हो. तर त्यहाँ नअट्दा चाहिँ मैले तल लेखेँ. ठीक छ? Or d2y by dx square is equal to, let us simplify it. So it is 6 sin x cos x into cos x, cos square x, plus and minus minus, this will be your 3 sin cube x. Now you can take common here, right? Or d2y by dx square is equal to, what is common in this case? 6 or 3 में 3 common cha, sin x or sin cube x or sin x common cha. So within bracket, what do we get? If 3 sin x is taken common, what do we get? It is 2 cos square x minus, it is sin square x. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. We'll do the next question, that is question number 5 now. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 5. Y is equal to x square log x square at x is equal to 1. तो सबभन्दा पहिला हामी dy by dx निकाल्छौं, त्यहाँदेखि d2y by dx निकाल्छौं, अनि after getting the value for d2y by dx square you have to put x is equal to 1. Okay, now since there is log here, you can use the properties of logarithm here, because there is log x square. You know properties of logarithm, if there is log, this power of x, that is 2, becomes the coefficient. यो 2 चाहिँ अगाडि आउँछ. So or y is equal to 2x square log x. Now we can differentiate it. So just find out dy by dx first. You first find out dy by dx. So differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to 2x square is kept as it is. You have to use UV rule. This is the product of two different functions, so you have to use the product rule in this case, or UV rule. 2x square is kept as it is. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 upon x plus, now 2 log x is kept as it is, into what is the differentiation of x square? It is 2x. Okay, so here you can cancel this, x and square gets cancels. So or dy by dx, or what is the value for dy by dx now? So dy by dx is equal to, it is 2x. This is your 2x plus how much is it? 2 to the 4x log x. So you can write here 4x log x. So I think you have understood it. Now again you have to differentiate both the sides with respect to x to get d2y by dx square. So again differentiating both the sides with respect to x, right? So therefore this is your d2y by dx square is equal to, what is the differentiation of 2x? It is only 2 plus, now in this case 4x log x. For this you have to use UV rule, but 4 is constant, it remains as it is. 4 into, what is the differentiation of x? 1. You don't have to write 1. Log x is kept as it is, plus again 4x is kept as it is, into what is the differentiation of log x? It is 1 upon x. Okay, so here you can cancel this, x and x gets cancels, or d2y by dx square is equal to 2 plus 4 log x plus 4. Okay, so or d2y by dx square is equal to 6 plus 4 log x. So this is your differentiation, that is d2y by dx square is equal to 6 plus 4 log x. Now we can put x is equal to 1 in this case. So putting x is equal to 1. So putting x is equal to 1, what do we get? So d2y by dx square is equal to 6 plus 4 log 1. As you know that log 1 is always 0. Log 1 base e is always 0, is equal to 6 plus 4 into 0. You know that 4 into 0 is 0, so 0 plus 6 is 6. So this is the final answer. So what is the value for d2y by dx square when x is equal to 1? It is 6. Okay, so you can copy it. We'll do the next question now. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 3. Find y2. y2 also indicates that y2 is equal to the second order derivative, that is d2y by dx square, right? So you have to find out y2 for y is equal to cos 3x into sin 4x. Now in this case you have to use the formula from trigonometry, that is from the chapter transformation of products and sums. Since this is the form, so greater angle you take it as A and smaller angle take it as B. This is sin A cos B. So we need 2 out here. 2 sin A cos B. Greater angle is 4x, take it as A. Smaller angle is 3x, take it as B. So it is in the form 2 sin A cos B. So it is 2 sin A cos B. So you should know the formula of 2 sin A cos B. As there is no 2 there, you can take 2 here, that is half into 2. So what is the formula for 2 sin A cos B from transformation of products and sums in trigonometry? What is the formula? It is sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. This is the formula. That is 2 sin A cos B is equal to sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B, right? So, or y is equal to, we need 2 here, so you have to write half into 2. किनभने यहाँ 2 छैन, 2 लेख्यो अनि फेरि त्यसलाई क्यान्सल गर्नलाई into half लेख्ने. So write down the greater angle first, that is sine 4x into what? Cos 3x, right? So, or y is equal to half. You can use a formula here. So within bracket, here A is 4x and B is 3x. So it is the form 2 sin A cos B. So it is sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. So sine of, what is A plus B? 4x plus 3x, 7x plus, what is sine of A minus B? Sine of, what is 4x minus 3x? That is your x. So, or y is equal to, this is your half sine 7x plus half sine x. Now you can easily find out d2y by dx square. Now first find out dy by dx. So differentiating both the sides. So differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to, how much is it? Half into, now differentiate sine 7x with respect to x, it is cos 7x into 7, you know that, plus half into, what is the differentiation of sine x? It is only cos x. Why x is not differentiated here? Because differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. That's why into 1 is not written here. So it is half cos x. But in this case, sine 7x is cos 7x into, what is d by dx of 7x? That is not 1, it is 7. So you have to write 7. So here 1 भएको कारणले गर्दा चाहिँ हामीले यहाँ 1 चाहिँ नलेखेको, ठीक छ? So next, or dy by dx, or dy by dx is equal to, this 7 is constant. You can write it before cos 7x, 7 by 2 cos 7x, right? Plus half cos x, plus half cos x. Is it clear to all of you? Now again you have to differentiate it to get the value for d2y by dx square or y2. So y2 means, I already told you that it is d2y by dx square, right? So differentiating both the sides, with respect to x. So it is d2y by dx square. फेरि अझ एकचोटि differentiate गर्ने, 7 by 2 into, what is the differentiation of cos 7x? It is minus sine 7x into 7. Again you have to differentiate 7x with respect to x, that is 7, plus half into, what is the differentiation of cos x? It is minus sine x, right? So, or this is your d2y by dx square is equal to minus sign is written first, 7 7s are 49 divided by 2 sine 7x, right? Then plus into minus, this is half sine x. Or you may take common here. What is common in this case? So d2y by dx square is equal to minus half is taken common. So within bracket, what do we have? We have 49 sine 7x minus into minus plus, and this is your sine x. So this is the final answer. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question now. Now we'll do the next question, that is question number 3, number 2. Find y2, that is you have to find out d2y by dx square when y is equal to x upon 2x minus 3. So let us first find out dy by dx. So differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So here you have to use u by b rule because both are variables here, right? So therefore dy by dx is equal to u by b rule. Now denominator is kept as it is, 2x minus 3 into, what is the differentiation of x? It is 1 minus, now x is kept as it is, right? Again differentiate the denominator with respect to x. What is the differentiation of 2x minus 3? It is only 2. For 2x it is 2 and minus 3 it is 0. Minus 0 you don't have to write it. So whole divided by, it is 2x minus 3 whole square. That is whole divided by denominator whole square, right? So or dy by dx is equal to, now multiply them, 2x minus 3 minus 2x, this whole divided by 2x minus 3 whole square. So here 2x gets cancels. So or dy by dx is equal to minus 3 divided by 2x minus 3 whole square. Okay. Now again you have to differentiate it to get y2 or d2y by dx square. Now here since minus 3 is constant, minus 3, that is numerator is constant and denominator is the only variable, you don't have to use u by b rule here to again differentiate it. So here again differentiate गर्दाखेरि यहाँ u by b rule use गर्नु पर्दैन किनभने minus 3 is a constant, only denominator is the variable, so that 2x minus 3 whole square can be taken to the numerator now. So or this will be dy by dx is equal to के हुन्छ यो minus 3 into 2x minus 3 whole square is taken to the numerator. What does it become? 2x minus 3 whole to the power minus 2, right? The numerator is a constant, denominator variable छ भने you don't have to use u by v rule. So in this case, this denominator is taken to the numerator and it becomes 2x minus 3 whole to the power minus 2. Now how will you differentiate it again? You can take it as x to the power n. 2x minus 3 is the variable, it is taken as x, and minus 2 is the constant, it is taken as n. And minus 3 the constant भइगयो. ठीक छ? So differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So it is d2y by dx square is equal to minus 3 is kept as it is because it is constant. Now it is in the form x to the power n. What is the differentiation of x to the power n? N becomes the coefficient, x to the power n minus 1. So here minus 2 becomes the coefficient, then 2x minus 3 whole to the power, decrease the power by 1, that is minus 3, into, again differentiate the term which is assumed as x, that is 2x minus 3 is assumed as x. So what is this differentiation? It is only 2. 2x को differentiation 2, minus 3 को केवल 0, you don't have to write it, okay? So or now this is d2y by dx square is equal to minus 2 minus plus 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12 whole divided by, it is taken to the denominator and it becomes 2x minus 3 whole cube. Is it clear now? So this is the final answer. Is that clear? So now we'll do the next question now. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 3, number 3. Y is equal to log of within bracket a minus x upon a plus x. You have to find out y2, that is d2y by dx square. So in this case you can use the properties of logarithm. You know that log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. So if you use the properties of logarithm, it will be easier for you to differentiate it. Okay, so let us use the properties of logarithm here. This is log of a by b form, this is log of a minus x, minus log of a plus x. Now we can differentiate, right? So differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So this is your dy by dx is equal, this is your log x form. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 upon x, but here it is 1 upon a minus x into, again differentiate the function which is assumed as x. What is the differentiation of a minus x? For a it is 0, minus x it is minus 1. Minus, again, what is the differentiation of log of a plus x? It is 1 upon a plus x into, again differentiate the function which is assumed as x. That is, what is the differentiation of a plus x? It is 1 only. For a it is 1 plus, sorry, for a it is 0 and for plus x it is 1. So 0 plus 1 is always 1. So or dy by dx is equal to, this is your minus 1 upon a minus x minus 1 upon a plus x, right? Now we can simplify it further, take the LCM and simplify it. So dy by dx is equal to, what's the LCM? It is a minus x into a plus x is the LCM. Now you know how to simplify it. This LCM is divided by a minus x. A minus x is essentially, you will get a plus x only, minus within bracket a plus x minus, again this LCM is divided by a plus x. A plus x is cancels, you will get a minus x. So 1 into a minus x is a minus x. Keep it within bracket. Okay. So or dy by dx. Now simplify the numerator. You can multiply them. It is minus a minus x. Next, minus a minus into minus plus x. This whole divided by, you can multiply them. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So it is a square minus a x square. This is a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. And in the numerator you can cancel this x, or dy by dx is equal to minus 2a divided by a square minus x square, right? So next, what will you do? Now in this case, again you have to differentiate it to get y2 or d2y by dx square. But since minus 2a is constant, which is the numerator, only the variable here is in the denominator. That is, a square minus x square is the variable that is in the denominator. So in this case, you don't have to use u by v rule, as numerator is constant. So you can take the denominator to the numerator. So what does it become now? Or dy by dx is equal to minus 2a. So what does it become when this a square minus x square is taken to the numerator? Actually it is a square minus x square whole to the power 1. So it becomes a square minus x square whole to the power minus 1. Okay. Now we can differentiate it. So differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So this is your d2y by dx square is equal to minus 2a remains same because that is constant. So how can you differentiate this expression? It is in the form x to the power n. A square minus x square is the variable that is taken as x, and power minus 1 is a constant. So which is taken as x to the power n. So how will you differentiate it? So x to the power n को differentiation किया n into x to the power n minus 1. Here minus 1 becomes the coefficient, a square minus x square whole to the power minus 2. Now which function was taken as x to differentiate it? A square minus x square. Again you have to differentiate that term which is assumed as x. So कति भयो into, for a square it is 0, for minus x square it is minus 2x. Is that clear now? So or now it is d2y by dx square is equal to, now minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus, 2 2s are 4, a into x, ax whole divided by, again you can take this a square minus x square whole to the power minus 2 to the denominator. So what does it become? A square minus x square whole square. So this is the final answer. So this is your final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. So this much is for today. त आज हामीले जति पनि गर्यौं यो सबै घरमा तिमीले एकपल्ट फेरि यसलाई रिभिजन गर्नु अनि होमवर्क दिएको पनि गर्नु ठीक छ सो इन द नेक्स्ट अनलाइन क्लास विल डू मोर प्रब्लम्स अन सेकेन्ड अर्डर डेरिभेटिभ ओके त म फेरि पनि भन्दैछु तिमीहरू सबैजना अब प्रेजेन्ट हुनुपर्छ लाइभ च्याटमा चाहिँ प्रेजेन्ट सर भनेर भनेको हुन्छ विशेष गरेर यो पुष्परानी स्कुलको स्टुडेन्टले चाहिँ ठीक छ उनीहरू सबैजना प्रेजेन्ट हुनुपर्छ भनिदिनु साथीहरूलाई पनि ठीक छ छैन अबदेखि चाहिँ लाइभै हुन्छ तिमीले लाइभ च्याटमा नै तिमीले प्रेजेन्ट सर भनेर लेख्नुपर्छ ठीक छ अनि अरु स्कुलले पनि यसमा जोइन गर्दा हुन्छ ठीक छ अरु स्कुलको स्टुडेन्टलाई पनि यस अनलाइन क्लासमा स्वागत छ ठीक छ सो दिस मच इज फर टुडे